If you're not planning to get any new credit cards or make any major purchases soon and you'd like some peace of mind, then you could freeze your credit. Today I'm going to show you how to go to all 3 credit bureaus and freeze your credit. But before we get started, take a moment to subscribe to the How to Do It All channel for more how-to videos every week. With data breaches all too common today, it might be in your best interest to protect yourself from identity thieves and credit fraud. Freezing your credit can stop identity thieves from opening unauthorized accounts in your name. This would prevent a thief from opening a credit card, buying a car, or even renting an apartment using your credit. So what does freezing your credit actually do? Well, freezing your credit restricts the credit card bureaus, Equifax, Transunion, and Experian from reporting your credit score and detailed report to any lender. Without these reports, lenders are unlikely to approve any line of credit. But there are a few things to keep in mind. Freezing your credit does not affect your credit score positively or negatively or at all. It does not fully protect you from identity theft, and it doesn't protect you from fraudulent charges on credit cards that are already open. But it is free and it goes a long way in protecting your credit. So why not? Do it.
Do it.
So how do you freeze your credit? Let's get into it. To start, you'll have to visit each of the 3 major credit bureaus and freeze your report. Yes, it is a pain and each credit bureau handles it differently, but it can all be done online and all you'll need is your phone number, your email address, and your social security number. We've placed links to all 3 in the description below, so let's get to it, starting with Equifax. Visit Equifax.com and scroll down to the snowflake icon which says place or manage a freeze. Then click Get Started with a Freeze. You'll be directed to a new page where you'll fill out your information. Then you'll be prompted to create an account. Keep this account information handy as you'll need it to unfreeze your credit when needed. Once you verify your account and contact information, you'll be able to log in at myequifax.com. Here you could freeze and unfreeze your credit report at any time. When you freeze your credit, Equifax will give you a PDF confirming the freeze along with instructions on how to unfreeze your credit if you forgot your Equifax account info. Now let's move on to Transunion. Start by visiting transunion.com/credit-freeze. Then click the Add Freeze button on the page. On the new page, you'll be asked to create a new account with Transunion. This account is different from the Equifax one you just made. Follow the instructions on the screen to create a username, password, and security question. Transunion will now verify your number either through a text or a call. After verifying your identity, you'll be taken to the Transunion digital self-service portal. From the portal, click on the View My Freeze Status option. Then click Add Freeze. Here you'll have to create a 6-digit PIN to freeze your credit. Don't forget your PIN as you'll need it to unfreeze your credit. This is muy importante, very important. After you've submitted your newly created PIN, your Transunion credit will have been frozen. Now remember, to unfreeze it, go to the Transunion digital self-service portal. And finally, Experian. To start, visit experian.com/freeze. Then click on Add Security Freeze, followed by Freeze My Own Credit File. You'll be taken to a page where you will have to enter your information. Here you can choose to create a 5 to 10-digit PIN, or Experian can create one for you. After submitting, you'll have to answer some identity verification questions. If you've answered everything correctly, you'll be greeted with a green check mark, completing your Experian credit report freeze. And there you have it. All 3 of your credit reports are frozen. Now you want to make sure you save your username and passwords and PINs in a safe place because you will need them when it comes time to unfreeze your credit. Now unfreezing your credit could take up to 48 hours to fully process, but in most cases it takes 15 minutes. So make sure you have enough lead time before you go out to buy that new car. And all 3 credit bureaus allow you to unfreeze your credit for a certain amount of time. So you can unfreeze it for 8 days, 12 days, 15 days, 27 days, however much time you feel you need to go get that loan that you're trying to get from the bank. Remember that a credit freeze will stop all hard credit pulls. So if you're at the big box store and they got some 0% interest financing on a 70-inch TV, and you want to get it, the store will not be able to run your credit unless you unfreeze it, which might be a good thing. Maybe you don't need that TV. But if you do, you can log into the 3 credit bureaus, unfreeze your credit, wait in the store 15 to 20 minutes, and then go home with 0% interest on a 70-inch new television. Nice. So there you have it. That's how to freeze your credit. If you like this video, ring that bell for more videos from How to Do It All, and make sure to check out our other finance videos like PayPal's How to Pay in 4 with 4 easy installments for 0% interest. And thanks for watching.